Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel. In today's video, we will be doing a triple Louis Vuitton unboxing. And I'm super excited to share this with y'all guys because I've been wanting to get these pieces for quite a while now. And it took me like years for me to be able to get my hands on them because apparently these are super hard to get items from LV. And I'm just super thrilled and happy right now knowing that these are finally mine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox them. So guys, let's start off with this paper bag, and of course, it did come with the receipt here and the box. Inside it is the dust bag with the item. And before I reveal the item, let me just show you what's inside the box. I have here the textile card, the product info sticker, and they gave me a perfume sample card. And this one is California Dream. I was actually planning to get this, but now that I smelled it, I think it's too sweet for my liking. I find it too sweet. So here's the dust bag, guys, and any guesses? Dun, 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 dun. It's the reverse monogram card holder from Louis Vuitton. And I'm super glad that I picked this because I'm really a card holder person. Like, for me, it's a necessity or a need because every time I go out, every time I go to the grocery, I'll just carry with me my phone and a card holder. The card holder that I'm currently using is also from Louis Vuitton. It's from their Escale or Escale collection here. Here I have my credit card, my prepaid card, and a 1,000 peso bill. They're basically the same, guys. They're both made of coated canvas, same size, everything except for the print and the color. But I think this one is more pliable and softer compared to this. One of the reasons as well why I decided to get this is because of the color combination. I love the combination of the reverse and the classic monogram. And I think this one is more bagay with my style, with my clothes, because most of my clothes are in neutral colors. So I'm just super happy that I added this to my SLG collection. So let me just fix this so that we can proceed to the next paper bag. So here's the next item, guys, and again, it did come with a receipt and the box. This time it came with the blue ribbon. Actually, guys, this is something that I'm very excited for because I've been looking for this item since 2016, even before I bought my very first Louis Vuitton wallet. Because this one's pretty hard to find, like literally hard to find. I even promised myself not to get this item from the resellers on Instagram because they're just too overpriced. And I was like, if I couldn't get this from the store, then maybe it's not for me. But luckily, one of my CAs from Greenbelt, her name is Aliyah, she got this for me. And I'm also grateful and thankful to Randy and Modi. They're also from Greenbelt because they got these two other items for me. And I'm just super lucky to be accommodated by these beautiful CAs from Greenbelt. And I will link their Instagram accounts in the description box. So if you're planning to get your first LV piece, you may direct message them on Instagram. So let's now unbox this. Gosh, I still can't believe that it's finally here. Still really can't believe that I got this. Because before, every time I would go to the store or every time I would call client services or ask my CAs, it's always unavailable. It's always sold out. And now, it's here. It's finally here. And can you guess what's inside, guys? This one is a famous Louis Vuitton piece. Here we go. It's the key pouch or the Pochette clay. Oh wow. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, it's even bigger than I thought, because I thought it was just, you know, the typical coin purse with a clasp or hook. But now seeing this in person, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's actually bigger than the card holder. And for a coin purse, for a key pouch, it's actually spacious. Like, maybe it can fit 10 to 15 cards, plus bills or coins. This is actually a good entry level if you're planning to get your first Louis Vuitton item, because this one is not that expensive. I mean, it's not cheap, but if we're talking about luxury, we're talking about Louis Vuitton, then this is something that will not break the bank. It is one of the affordable pieces from LV, and every Louis Vuitton lover or collector either has this or still trying to get their hands on this, because this one is a really popular piece from LV. And now I know the reason why it is one of their most sought after pieces, because it's really versatile, and the functionality, I mean, and the quality. I've seen a lot of videos from YouTube questioning the quality, but with this particular one, I mean, it's just good. The stitching, the alignment, the hardware, the zipper, no problem at all. And I'm just super duper happy, guys, that finally I have this now in my collection. And look at that gold hardware, oh my gosh. Super nice. And if you want to connect your keys, or if you want to attach this to your belt strap, to a bag, you just have to pull this up like so, and then there. So guys, down to the last paper bag. Here's the receipt and the box. It did come with the Lunar New Year ribbon. So lovely. And came with a gift card as well. Here. So nice. Here's a closer look of the beautiful Chinese New Year ribbon from Louis Vuitton. And oh, it smells so good. This one's a bit hard to open. So they also gave me a perfume card sample, and this one's a Trop Rev. A Trop Rev? Am I pronouncing it right? It smells good, but still on the sweeter side, which I'm not a fan of. Maybe I'll get the Meteore, because I've heard it is a bit citrusy and fresh and aquatic or watery, so maybe I'll go for that. So here's the dust bag. It's a bigger dust bag, and can you hear it? There is a chain, and that's a clue. Yeah, this is a special item for me because I don't know, I've been seeing this ever since 2016, 2015 when I started watching luxury unboxing, Louis Vuitton unboxing on YouTube. And before, I must admit that I'm not really into the shape and the style of this bag or this pouch, but it grew on me. Like, maybe because of watching too much videos, too much unboxing. Because every unboxing that I watch, maybe 70%, this item is always present. This is also one of their most sought after pieces. So, dun, 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 dun. It's the mini Pochette accessoire or accessories. There is the leather tub, which says Louis Vuitton, made in France. I'm super glad that this is made in France. And look at the chain, super nice. And here's the hook or clasp. Here's the lobster clasp and the zipper. The only thing that I've noticed is the canvas. This one is not as thick as my other, pieces. I don't know if it's a pro or a con, but I don't mind. To be honest, I don't mind. I'm just so happy that I finally own this lovely piece from Louis Vuitton. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm planning to use this as a mini bag because mini bag is still a trend these days. And I bought a chain strap from Coach. I'm super inspired with Jimin. You know Jimin? He is a member of BTS, and I've seen him wearing chain bags from Chanel. Like, his favorite is the Chanel Gabrielle, but obviously I couldn't afford a Chanel bag. So let's try using this as a chain strap bag, mini bag, or you can also use this as a wristlet. You just have to detach this. On this side of the strap is detachable, but this one is not, and just have to attach it on the other side and you can use it as a wristlet. And I love that the chain matches my bracelet. I love stocking bracelets, so it's a plus for me. I love it. I'll do a separate video on how I will turn this into a crossbody, a shoulder bag, a belt bag, a bam bag, or even a bag charm. And you will be surprised, guys, that this guy right here can actually fit a lot. See that space? Here's the textile card and the product info sticker. But it won't fit my phone. My phone is iPhone 12 Pro. Phones that has the same size as the iPhone 12 mini can fit here without any problem. Even the key pouch can fit inside without any issue. See? And still you have a lot of, space for other stuff. I have here some of my essentials, and I'll show you that I can fit everything here in this absolutely gorgeous pouch or mini bag. I have here the Dior cushion, Christian Dior cushion. Fits nicely. And I have here my earbuds from BP21. That's Tata. There. And I have here my Christian Dior lip balm. See that? There's still some space for my hand sanitizer and SM Advantage card. Ta-da! No problem at all. Super nice. I won't carry it like so because that is too feminine, that's too girly. So I'll use it as a wristlet or just holding it like so, or just by attaching some bag straps from your other bags, right? So yeah, that's it. I really love this piece. If you have the budget, like if you're willing to spend, you know, twice the price of the key pouch and the card holder, then this is really a perfect first piece from Louis Vuitton. I mean, it's super versatile. It can be a bag, it can be a wallet, it can be a coin purse, it can be a catch-all bag or pouch. There's just too many ways for you to use this bag. And I think it's really worth the money, even after the price increase. I'm even considering to get the Damier Eben. What's the correct pronunciation, guys? Because I love that the leather tab of the Damier Eben is treated leather, so it's not as fragile as this. Because this one is prone to watermarks and other discoloration. Some people love the fact that this leather will turn into a honey-like patina color, but for me, I personally don't like it, you know, because I don't know, I just find it dirty. Don't get me wrong, huh? It's nice because it has that vintage vibe, but it's not just for me. It's just my personal preference, guys. So I might get the Damier then if it becomes available. So that's it for today's unboxing, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.